So you may have seen on some videos on YouTube people recommending VPNs. Now the question you have is, why should I get a VPN and what is a VPN? Well, today I'm gonna answer them two questions for you, so definitely stay tuned. Okay, so what is a VPN? Well, a VPN is just an application that sits on your device, be it a phone, tablet, TV stick, or even a router. It sits on your device and it allows you to change your IP address. Now, why would you want to change your IP address, you may ask? Well, one reason may be because, let's say you live in the UK and you're on holiday in the United States, and then you think, I want to catch up on BBC iPlayer. So what you do on your streaming device or any device that has access to BBC iPlayer, you open it up and then it will say application blocked or seal restrictions are restricted in this country. And then you think, well, I can't access BBC iPlayer while I'm on holiday. But what you can do is use a VPN, connect to a UK server that has a UK IP address, meaning that if you open up BBC iPlayer while the UK VPN is running, you'll get access to it like you would within the UK, folks. So I'm in the UK, so if I wanted to access an American streaming service like Tubi TV or Crackle or whatever, I could connect to a United States server and start watching Hulu, Crackle, Tubi or whatever that's from the US, folks. And it's not only them two countries that you can connect to. You can pretty much connect to any country in the world, depending on what VPN you go for, folks. So that, in a nutshell, is basically what a VPN is. Okay, now you know what a VPN is. I'm gonna tell you why you should use a VPN, folks. And all I recommend it for is privacy, folks. Having a VPN can ensure no one's spying on you, or nobody's connecting your data, or nobody's seeing your IP address, or nobody's seeing what you're streaming, folks. So I personally recommend a VPN for privacy alone, folks, particularly if you like to stream, be it on a FIRESTIck, a TV box, or what have you. If you like to stream content, be it licit or non-licit, you should definitely use a VPN to protect your data and to stop companies on spying on you, folks. Because at the end of the day, it's your business and not their business, folks. So that's why I recommend a VPN, just because of privacy, folks. And not only for streaming, it could be for banking, for your gaming, just to keep you safe while you're online, folks. So that's why I personally do recommend a VPN. And this is definitely not one of them videos that shove a VPN down your throat. You know the people that say, oh, you must get a VPN, you must get a VPN. If you don't feel the need to get a VPN, don't get a VPN, folks. And if you think a VPN will do you no good, don't bother with a VPN, folks. I'm just saying what I recommend you use, folks. And I definitely recommend you go for a VPN just to keep yourself safe. But by all means, if you do need a VPN, do not go for it, folks. But I still recommend you give a VPN a try anyway, just for the sake of internet safety, folks. Okay, so now you know what a VPN is and the advantages of a VPN. What VPN should you go for, folks? Now there's many VPNs out there. Some are free, some are paid. So the question you may have is, do I go for a free VPN or a paid VPN, folks? And the answer to that is, I can only suggest what I recommend, folks. I personally recommend you go for a premium VPN if you can. Just solely because you can ensure you get the maximum security, that don't connect any logs or any of your data. There is some good free VPNs out there, but you've got to be careful while using some free VPNs, because some free VPNs can even sell your data. They can spy on you, and potentially you could get hacked, folks. So to be on the safest side, if you're really concerned about your privacy, I would definitely recommend a premium VPN. And there's tons of premium VPNs out there. Just Google up best premium VPNs, and guaranteed you'll find the ones at really cheap prices as well, folks. They're not that expensive at all, guys. So if you can splash out on a good VPN, folks, you don't have to go for a paid VPN. You can go for a free VPN. Just make sure it's a reliable one, and a one that many people actually trust, folks. Otherwise, if you want, again, the maximum security, if you're streaming, online shopping, banking, or whatever, use a premium VPN, folks. But again, that's only my recommendation. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, press the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, well, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as sharing the video, guys, to get it out there to more people. That would be greatly appreciated. So with that all being said, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.